Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Veg Planet. Today we'll be showing you our summer garden tour before we harvest all the vegetables that have been left from the summer. We hope you enjoy this video, and if you do, don't forget to like and subscribe.
What we're showing you now is our flower garden. We have many different types of flowers, including dahlias, the bright purple, begonia, the pink, white and red, and the yellow flowers are rudbeckia. We have green-leaved hostas in different colours here too.
Over here we have our long bottle gourds, which are almost ready to harvest. These are also called Bangla Lao or Bangladeshi Kodu.
Over here, we have different types of chilies, including Naga chilies, which are extremely spicy.
As you can see, these chili plants are still flowering, which means that we'll be getting more chilies for many more weeks to come.
Here we have lots of tomato plants. These tomatoes are not ripe, but they will be soon. They're still in the growing stage of development.
We also have many cucumber plants, which have been growing us so many cucumbers. We've harvested lots of them by now. As you can see here, these tomatoes are ripening, and they'll be ready to harvest soon. In amongst these regular tomatoes, we also have some beef tomatoes, which are much larger. You can see them here in this clip. They should be ready to pick soon.
Here is our grapevine. We're just holding around 20 bunches of grapes. They're growing larger by the day.
We have some more chili plants here, and some aubergine plants, which have the most beautiful purple flowers. They should be growing us some aubergines very soon.
We have some cabbages and broccoli plants here. We've harvested some cabbages, but no broccoli yet. They grow very slowly.
Here you can see some green peppers growing on our plants. We also have some more chili plants growing in the ground, and the chilies and the peppers should be ready to harvest very soon.
Here we have some more eggplants. This plant has quite a large fruit growing on it, which we will harvest in our next video.
This here is our apple gourd, and alongside it we have some more bottle gourds, and both of these should be ready to harvest soon in our next video.
We have some more tomatoes here, and you can see a bumblebee pollinating the tomato flowers. There should be more trusses forming soon.
We also have different types of courgettes growing, including the long dark green ones and the round light green ones. And both of these plants still have loads of flowers on them, which means that we'll be getting plenty more courgettes very soon.
This is our dwarf apple tree, and it is around 2 meters tall. It is growing around 10 to 15 apples which are turning red and will be picked in a few weeks.
These are our potato plants, which have been growing in sacks. They've begun flowering, and the potatoes themselves should be ready to harvest soon. We'll post a video where we empty the whole sack out and count how many potatoes grew in there.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed. We look forward to seeing you soon in the next video. Bye.